One more time. One more time.
Come on. This one again. I know you
It's toxic because it has a chemical we call what do you call this? The one that we use on dead people. You know what I mean? Okay.
Excuse me, thank
Oh,
you.
it's okay. I think $3 cheaper. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Thanks.
Are you okay?
Oh, sneeze.
Are you okay?
Oh, whew, bless me. Excuse me. Same to me. Yeah, even the numbers. Yeah, even the numbers the same there. So they must be the same.
Okay, so
Same
this,
exact thing.
this whole row, this whole row is the same. Take care.
That one passed.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.